Welcome to my version of WonderWise Winners and Losers. I'll be looking at the countries of the EU and tell you which countries are at the top or bottom in each category. The first category is area. The biggest countries are Sweden, Spain, and France. But when you count the overseas territories of France, it makes the country even bigger. The smallest countries are Cyprus, Luxembourg, and Malta. France is about 2,000 times the size of Malta. Now let's look at population. The most populous countries are the UK, France, and Germany. The countries with the smallest populations are again Cyprus, Luxembourg, and Malta. Germany is about 190 times as populous as Malta. The next category is population density. The top three are Belgium, the Netherlands, and Malta. Malta should stop being first or last every time. The bottom three are the most northern countries: Estonia, Sweden, and Finland. The next category is homicide rate, or homicides per 100,000 people. At the top are the three Baltic states: Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. The countries with the lowest homicide rates are Luxembourg, the Netherlands, and Austria. Now let's look at suicide rate. The countries with the highest suicide rates are Poland, Hungary, and once again, Lithuania. No wonder why Lithuania's population is dropping. The countries with the lowest suicide rates are Spain, Italy, and Greece. The next category is minimum wage. The countries with the highest minimum wages are the Netherlands, France, and Luxembourg. The countries with the lowest minimum wages are Hungary, Romania, and Bulgaria. The final category is religion. The countries with the most religious people are Poland, Romania, and... That's it. I'm out.
Least religious countries are Denmark, Sweden, and Estonia. Hope you enjoyed and leave a like if you want to see more.